Hey, how's it going, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Sony A7S3 and the Sony A7IV. So stick around and let's talk about these two cameras. I'm going to give you guys my 8 reasons about these cameras and to help you guys decide on which cameras, these two cameras that you should buy. Reason number 1, body wise. They're kind of, just by looking at them, they kind of look almost exactly the same, but they are different in a way. The A7IV, it is quite slight bigger than the A7S3. I tried using the small rig to see if it will fit, and it does not fit. The only cage that kind of fits is the Condor Blue cage, but then again, you know, I would have to unloose these screws just so that it could fit. But it's still a tight fit. It is not going smoothly, but it works. To reason number 2, LCD screen. The Sony A7S3 screen size, it's bigger than the A7IV. I would have thought that it would have been vice versa since this one is a little bit bigger. Demonstrating to you guys, I did try using the screen protector from the A7S3 and it does not fit. It is off by a little bit. So if you are planning to get LCD screen protector, get the right one, the A7IV. I don't think the other models will fit. Reason number 3 is the screen resolution quality. Hands down to the A7S3. Screen resolution out from the A7S3 is still the best. But if you are coming from the A7 III, definitely a huge upgrade. One thing I hate about the LCD screen from the A7 III, it was horrible. It looked over contrasted, looked like you're overexposed, and I hated it at LCD screen from the A7 III. So it is a huge upgrade to the A7 IV. Okay, let's talk about 4K 60. I know that everyone talks about if they put 4K 60 full frame on the A7 IV, technically nobody's gonna wants to buy the A7S III. So I understand where they're coming from. They leave the best to the best. So that's one thing, but you know, I can't complain for the 4K 60 crop into this. It's pretty useful. You do get more reach out of your lenses too, so it is a nice thing to have. I can't complain. I do actually like it too. Dual ISO. As this one, the A7 IV has dual ISO at 800 from 800 to 32 or 3500. So A7S III has base ISO of 640 and 12800. So this low light king of a beast. Okay, let's talk about the shutter. Of course, the A7 IV has a shutter. So whenever you turn off the camera, the shutter comes down closed, protects the extra sensor. And of course, the A7S III doesn't have it. Also, let's talk about the custom wheel. The Sony A7S III has the Explorer, whatever you want to call this. While the A7 IV has this one where you could customize as well. I customized this wheel to be the white balance, and it's pretty convenient. And that's one thing I like about this A7 IV versus the A7S III. I mean, you still can customize it, but you have more buttons to customize. So that's one thing I like about this. Also, APS-C mode. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have it, which we understand that it is a 12 megapixel. Anyway, so I'm gonna summarize this up. If your main focus is videos and you do have the money to get the A7S III, get it. You won't be disappointed. I have 3 of them. Another one here, it is recording this video at this time. The Sony A7S III is still on back order everywhere. So everyone's still trying to get their hands on the A7S III. But if you're on a budget and you still like to do photos and videos, I believe this is the best bang for your money. You're getting exactly the same Kodak, same images, almost exactly the same, pretty much on par to the A7S III. But besides the 4K 60 crop, if you don't mind. So hopefully this video helps you guys decide on which of these two cameras you guys should get. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. You guys stay safe and take care.